G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I am remaking one of our classic Vitamix recipes, which has been on YouTube for about 10 years. The original version is very blurry and dodgy. I apologize for that. So this is my creamy broccoli soup. I hope you enjoy. So today I'm using the Vitamix Ascent A3500i. This is Vitamix's top of the line model. In the container, I already have 2 cups of filtered water. All the measurements are down the side of the container here in cups and mils, makes it super simple. Hot soups, I love making in the Vitamix. You can actually cook a hot soup in about 8 minutes from start to finish. Vitamix will actually heat up just from the friction coming off the blade, which is pretty amazing. That's what's gonna cook our soup. So I've got some broccoli here. I'm just gonna cut it off. About 2 to 3 cups of broccoli. So this is raw broccoli. I haven't cooked it. If I was to cook it, it's gonna give our soup a more sort of traditional broccoli flavored taste. However, I still like it raw, and I like the nutritional benefits of the broccoli when it is raw. Broccoli is so good for you. It's probably one of the most healthy vegetables. It's great for decreasing your chances of cancer. It's packed with antioxidants and vitamins, vitamin K and calcium, really good for your bone growth and to prevent osteoporosis. Let's throw that in. I'm gonna put in 1 stick of celery. With an ordinary blender, these strings will get wrapped around the blade. Not a problem for Vitamix. It's gonna smash those straight up. Now notice I use the end of the zucchini, the most nutritious part. It's really good for you. You don't wanna waste that. I'm gonna put it straight in. I've got some spring onion. A little bit of flavor goes a long way in the Vitamix. Notice I use the roots as well. In that goes. 1 clove of garlic with the skin on. I don't have to worry about peeling it. In it goes. Same with my stock cube. I don't have to worry about peeling it. I get more iron in my diet. No, don't be lazy. No nutritional content in the wrapper. This is a vegetarian stock cube. It's a massal vegetarian. I'm just gonna cream up my soup with some cashew nuts as a healthy alternative to using cream or milk. I've just got about 2 cups of cashews. You can use raw or roasted, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna add some herbs. I've got a little bit of fresh rosemary and some thyme. Give it a little bit of flavor. Just some salt and pepper. We keep the seasonings pretty simple, maybe about, half a teaspoon. Just gonna lock our lid into place. Always make sure your lid's locked into place. Previously, you would redecorate your kitchen if you accidentally took your lid off. But now the Ascent series has a safety feature built in, so if I remove the lid while it's blending, the blade will automatically stop spinning, which is a cool feature. So there's no heating element in the Vitamix. It cooks just using friction heat, which is pretty amazing. You imagine if I did that 500 times a second, how hot my hands would be. Same principle is working in here on the blade. So cold water, raw vegetables, 5 minutes. I'm gonna have a steaming hot soup. Away we go. Ta-da! It's been blending for 5 minutes and 45 seconds. We've got a hot soup ready to eat. I can feel this heat coming out of the side of the jug here. Cold water, raw vegetables, 5 minutes, steaming hot soup. In the time it's taking you to open a can of soup, put it in the microwave, I've made a nutritious soup in my Vitamix. Now the best part about this soup is I haven't boiled it on the stove for a couple of hours. I haven't destroyed all the enzymes in the food. It's still essentially in its raw state. Look how creamy it is. That's the cashews. Beautiful smell of the broccoli, the garlic. Absolutely delicious. So, so good. Fresh, creamy broccoli soup. I hope you enjoy it. Happy blending.